The 2025 Yamaha Raptor 660 returns with a powerful presence in the world of all-terrain vehicles, combining aggressive styling, robust performance, and a reputation for trail dominance. Though often overshadowed by its successor, the Raptor 700, the 660 remains a favorite among riders who appreciate its unique balance of power, reliability, and versatility. With subtle refinements for 2025, Yamaha has not just brought back a fan favorite but redefined it for a new generation of ATV enthusiasts. At the heart of the Raptor 660 is a 660cc liquid-cooled, SOHC engine that delivers a satisfying surge of power. The torquey nature of the engine means it handles everything from dune carving to trail crawling with ease. Its 5-valve cylinder head maximizes airflow, translating to more efficient combustion and responsive throttle control. This is a machine that doesn't just ride, it attacks terrain with purpose. The broad power band makes it forgiving for newer riders while still delivering the thrills that experienced riders crave. Yamaha's decision to stick with a carbureted setup might seem old school in an era of electronic fuel injection, but for the Raptor 660, it's a deliberate move to preserve simplicity and ease of maintenance. Off-road riders appreciate being able to tune their machines without needing a laptop or diagnostic tools. In fact, this is part of the Raptor's charm, it's a machine built for the dirt, not the garage. Riding comfort and control are a priority in the 2025 edition. With a lightweight hybrid steel-aluminum frame, the Raptor maintains its sturdy feel without adding bulk. Its long travel suspension, dual arms up front and a link-style rear, smooths out rough terrain, giving riders confidence to push harder. The preload adjustable shocks allow for tailored setups depending on the terrain, whether it's hard-packed dirt, rocky hills, or loose sand. The ergonomics of the Raptor 660 continue to impress. A narrow seat and well-placed handlebars make body movement intuitive, essential for aggressive cornering and navigating technical sections. The updated bodywork for 2025 includes sleeker plastics with sharper angles and bold new graphics, giving the quad a modern, muscular stance that matches its capabilities. Braking performance is another strong point. Hydraulic disc brakes on both ends offer progressive stopping power without being overly touchy. For aggressive downhill sections or sudden speed checks, the brakes inspire confidence and give the rider a sense of control. Combined with the low center of gravity and stable wheelbase, the Raptor feels planted and predictable under hard braking. Yamaha has also considered the practical side of trail riding with improved cooling efficiency in the 2025 model. A larger radiator and optimized airflow help keep the engine temperature in check during long, demanding rides. It's not just about speed, it's about consistency and durability over the long haul. Riders who spend hours in the saddle will appreciate this subtle but critical improvement. One of the defining features of the Raptor 660 has always been its versatility. While it's fully capable of high-speed desert runs, it's equally at home climbing technical wooded trails. It's a machine that adapts to its environment, and the 2025 updates only enhance this trait. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned trail veteran, the Raptor delivers a raw, mechanical experience that connects rider and machine. Another reason the Raptor 660 continues to hold a place in the hearts of off-roaders is its customization potential. Yamaha has ensured that aftermarket compatibility remains strong, and the 2025 model retains the same mounting points and dimensions that allow for easy installation of performance parts, accessories, and aesthetic mods. This is a machine that grows with the rider, evolving with each new upgrade. In a market increasingly dominated by larger, more complex machines, the 2025 Yamaha Raptor 660 is a reminder that raw power, mechanical simplicity, and trail-tested reliability never go out of style. It's not just an ATV, it's a legend reborn. Whether you're reliving the past or discovering the Raptor legacy for the first time, the 2025 model delivers on all fronts with confidence, character, and undeniable performance.